Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to see Instagram messages without being seen or without the seen or read receipt. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your DM section. So suppose I want to see one's message that they have sent me or something like that. So I don't want them to get these seen received or read received. So what I will do is go to their account on the top left corner by tapping on their account. And then here you will find this layout and go to just privacy and safety just under disappearing messages. And in here you'll find the option of read receipts. It says that other can see when you have read their messages if you turn it on. So I'm just turning it off. Now they can't see if I have seen their messages or not. And if I go back, now you can see there is no read receipt. So whether they send me a message, they will not know that I have read their messages. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.